So I'm here in the city of Lecce and I'm going to do a free walking tour. So I'm going to follow this group of people right here. Don't worry, I reserved it.
Hello everyone, I am Patricia. I am a tour guide for a free walking tour Lecce. Come to visit my beautiful city, I'm waiting for you. And they finished the building in 1646.
We are Alberto and Roser. We are from Spain and we just finished the free tour of Lecce. We recommend seeing the city because we think it's really beautiful.
Yeah, we found the Baroque very interesting. Here in Spain we have a little influence from this and I love it.
I'm Ella and this was my first free walking tour and I really enjoyed it and I met so many nice people.
It was a very nice tour. We have fun, we learned a lot.
I'm Annika, I'm from Germany. We just did the walking tour and it's really nice.
I'm Moritz, I'm also from Germany, from Frankfurt. And this is the nicest place in Lecce and the best walking tour you can do.
Hi, I'm Gianluca. I'm from Switzerland, Zurich. We did a walking tour, 1.5 hours or 1 hour maybe. We saw a lot of Lecce. We were told a lot of history. It was nice. Especially enjoyed these two faces, which are right there, and all the history about the different sculptures there.
So the free walking tour with Patricia was phenomenal. She gave us insight into the culture, history. I love walking tours. I do them everywhere that I can. And then you tip them based on what you think they're worth. And generally their worth is as good, if not more, than the guided tours and paying half the price. Another great thing about doing walking tours is you get new friends. So I'm gonna be hanging out with these guys a little bit tonight. Come to Lecce if you get a chance. Beautiful city. All right, we're walking down the streets of Lecce. We're looking for a nice bar to go to. So if you know a bar that's amazing in Lecce with great local drinks and local food, leave a comment below, tell us where we should go, and we'll read this with time travel, and thank you. Grazie mille.
Yeah, my name is Abby and I'm from Uganda. Maybe we're gonna go get some Italian local street food.
All right, so we're downtown Lecce. We're trying some street food. We're here at Mezzo Quinto. Everybody's got something different. Nice. All right, let's see what we think.
Yeah.
Go ahead, bite it.
Yeah, let's go.
Is that good? Popete al sugo, delicioso. Come to Mezzo Quinto if you come to Lecce. And the lady is super nice, so friendly. Thank you, Ariel, for filming. Yeah. So we just ate. Everybody feel good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So now we're gonna go get something to drink or maybe get some ice cream. So just Ariel and I want gelato.
Oh, wait. Let's get that. Are you sure you want to upload this to your channel?
Ice cream is amazing.
Cos'è così elaborato questo posto? Super bello.
Do I get some as well? Or just... Oh la la!
Like a magician, you know? Boom.
Cheers to the YouTube guys as well. I mean, like, yeah, we're here. Cheers.
I decided to stay another day in Lecce because my buddy Abby is gonna host me. So we're gonna hang out and just do a little bit more Lecce. And we're gonna fly the drone. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into that. When you travel. You get to meet other great, wonderful people who also like traveling. Like this group of people here, you probably just saw them in all that amazing drone footage. Let's talk to some of them, see who they are. All right, so we know this girl already. Hi, Veronica.
Hey.
And this handsome devil here, we know him.
In the building.
Who's the new guy?
No.
Tell the people. His name is No. Okay, we'll move on. Hey, buddy.
Hello everybody, nice to meet you all. I'm Alfredo and welcome to Lecce. I hope you find this video and channel nice.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lecce, I'm Andrea. We're in the public garden and enjoy us with the video, with the drone, and the things. And we are with new friends, old friends.
Ciao from Lecce. Benvenuti in Italia.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosanna, nice to meet you. Come in Lecce, we wait you because this is a wonderful city. We wait you. You can follow me on TikTok, Ruslana Giulia Ritz.
So you just met the whole crew, all the people. I hope you enjoyed that. Having a great time?
Just enjoyed Puglia, man.
The greatest day of my life.
Oh, wow, cheers to the greatest day of your life, mate. Cheers, cheers.
Amazing!
Okay, so I've been here in Lecce for over 24 hours, and it's a great place, really nice. And of course, I could recommend things to you based on my 24 hours of experience. But I've actually met some locals, so let's ask them what we should do when we come visit Lecce.
Hi, I'm Luna. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Lecce, and I am in love with my city because it's very pretty. It's magic, is wonderful, is amazing city. In the city center there are a lot of white buildings that are crazy to see, and it's very gorgeous land because you have wind, sea and sun. There are so many opportunities, but you also have a slow life. Very people are very wonderful. They take care of you and are very warm and with a big heart. And I love this place. Come here to see with your eyes. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Alfredo. I'm local, I'm from Lecce. I would be very happy to welcome all of you in Lecce because it's a magical town. We have a lot of beautiful attractions, stuff, events, especially summer is really the best period to spend your time, your holiday, your vacation. Here, just get lost in the city center, in the old town, because it's just magical. I don't have words to describe, but every person that come here is literally fascinated from this center. So, and also the seaside is something really special. You find a lot of beautiful beaches, but the most beautiful thing that I enjoy from the city is the warmness of people, because they really welcome you in the best way They try to be super kind with you, super welcoming, so you will feel like at home in just a few days. If you come here, they will tell you, okay, come to my place, eat with us. You can't give any food in the plate because you have to finish all. So it's something traditional that you must try. Enjoy your visit.
Hi all, it's Andrea here. I'm from Lecce. This is the city where we are now, and the city where I was born. I left the city when I was 18, but I had to go back after 15 years because this city is really nice. You should come here. It's a white city. It's full of people, young people and foreigners. This is a touristic city, of course, so you can visit it. There are typical things like the dome, the main cathedral, Santa Croce. This is we have this big rosone. It's like this big hall. It's quite famous. It's very huge and it's all white. This is the main representation of Baroque of Italy. So about arts, we have a lot of these kind of things. We have people, I think cold people, no sorry, hot people. Good food. You can try to eat typical specialities like some sweets like pasticciotto, or something else salty like rustico or typical food from here. We have a lot of pasta or vegetables. If you're a vegetarian, this is perfect for you because we have a lot of vegetables. Typical. Okay, I don't know these guys.
Hey!
Hey! Sorry, I'm working! You have to come here not only for the city but even for the area. We have a nice sea. We have some places there called like Maldive del Salento, nice small villages where you can find history, food, sun, love and everything you need.
I've been couch surfing for about 10 years now, and this is easily the smallest couch I've ever slept on.